Welcome back to Life Tips, tiny living lovers. Are you dreaming of a minimalist tiny home but worried about the costs? Don't fret. Today we'll share practical tips on how to design a stunning minimalist tiny home on a budget. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Plan your layout carefully. Before diving into purchases, take the time to sketch your space. Consider how you'll use each area, like where to cook, sleep, and relax. A well-thought-out layout will help you make the most of your space without unnecessary expenses. Remember, functional design is key. Next up, focus on quality over quantity. Instead of filling your tiny home with lots of cheap items, invest in a few high-quality multifunctional pieces. Look for furniture that can serve multiple purposes, like a coffee table with storage or a sofa bed. This approach not only saves space but also enhances your home's aesthetic. Tip number 3. Embrace DIY. If you're handy, consider tackling some projects yourself. From building your own shelves to upcycling old furniture, DIY can save you a lot of money. Plus, it adds a personal touch to your home. There are countless tutorials online to guide you through the process. Next, embrace minimalism in your decor. Keep your spaces open and uncluttered by opting for a few impactful decor items rather than filling every surface. Think about using natural elements like plants or art pieces that resonate with you. This approach will create a calm atmosphere without breaking the bank. Tip number 5. Shop smart for materials. Look for bargains at thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. You can find unique pieces at a fraction of the price. Additionally, consider using reclaimed materials for your building projects. They add character and save you money. Next, keep your color scheme simple. Stick to a cohesive palette of neutral colors with a few accent pieces to create a serene environment. This not only makes your space feel larger, but also helps maintain a minimalist aesthetic without costly decor changes. And finally, prioritize energy efficiency. Invest in energy-efficient appliances and proper insulation. While the upfront cost may be higher, it will save you money in the long run on utility bills. Plus, you'll be doing your part for the environment. Designing a minimalist tiny home on a budget is totally achievable with the right approach. By planning your layout, choosing quality pieces, embracing DIY, and keeping things simple, you can create a beautiful and functional space that reflects your lifestyle. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your own budget-friendly design ideas in the comments below. Think small, live big,